Welcome to Amulet Legends. In this special collection video, we will look at the Amulet of the Jade Buddha for Universal Peace. The Jade Buddha for Universal Peace is a decade old now. It is the world's largest Jade Buddha at 2.7 meters tall. It's a statue of Shakyamuni Buddha, which was carved from a rare boulder of translucent polar jade, discovered in Canada in year 2000, one of the largest single jade ever found. Senior Guru, Lama Zopa Rinpoche instructed the carving of the Buddha statue. This statue had been valued at $5 million. The Shakyamuni Buddha of Bodh Gaya, India, which is recognized by all Buddhists to be the place of the Buddha's enlightenment. The Dalai Lama personally consecrated the Jade Buddha in Sydney, Australia on the 1st of December year 2009. In 2009, the Jade Buddha for Universal Peace embarked on a 6-month world tour. Millions of people around the world blessed and greeted the Jade Buddha. The last port of call was Singapore, staged at the heart of Orchard Road, at Ngee Ann City from 13th to the 26th of January in 2012. You would also see the smiling face Jade Buddha there, measuring 7 inches from lap to face. Now, this is a smaller white Jade Buddha statue, raw with no makeup. The beautiful amulet comes in a clear cover box, along with the certificate of authenticity. We have come to the end of the unboxing video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please share and subscribe for more Amulet Legends.